Welcome friends. This video, the sequence of functions and their convergence. In this video we consider only these three functions. First function fn of x equal to 1 by n plus x. X lies between closed interval 0 and 1. This is the function defined 1 by 1 over n plus x. This is the function f1 value 1 to 10. What the function moves like that. See, the function nearly goes to 0. We feel like that. What about fn? N increases 1 to 1000, 100. What goes to 0 very closely. What about the 1000? f1 to f1000. What behavior? Yes, goes to 0, merge to 0. What about the 10,000 log flat? Oh, converge to 0 very fastly. What about 1 core? So it does not goes to any minus 0. Only fix it to the 0. This function fn of x equal to 1 by n plus x. X lies in 0 and converge to clearly 0. All the interval point 0 and 1, every point goes to 0 uniformly. Though this function converges to uniformly to 0. Now we see about the second function fn of x equal to 1 by 1 plus nx square. X lies between closed interval -1 or +1. We know about this function. When we put the x equal to 0, this function converges to 1. Other than 0, it converges to 0. So this is not uniformly convergence. So we go to see what is the graph and what is the plot gives to us. This is the second function defined as 1 by 1 plus x square n. Okay. First we define function and function f1 to f10. This function is shrink. So f1 to f10 we cannot get anything. So we make little large. f1 to f1000, I think so. Yes, we can get. You feel here graph goes to some drop. There also here some flat place comes. What this mean? It means one point fixed to 1, other point goes to 0. Looks like the figure behaves. f1 lakh, what will happen? 1 lakh. f1 to beauty. It's other than 0, every point converges to 0. One point is fixed there. That's why the graph here is some non-uniform convergence. That's why. Suppose we make little large 1 core. So this function converges to 0 other than x equal to 0. X equal to 0, function converges to 1. Now we see about the third function fn of x equal to x power n. X lies between 0 and 1. But we know that the function 0 close to 0 comma open to 1, it converges to 0. When x equal to 1, the function converges to 1. Is the function defined? X lies between 0 and 1 give. First we see about f1 to f10. the function doesn't say anything. It's the same thing. So we make two large value f1 and so it goes to something. We cannot get anything. We make f 10,000. In this stage, we have to consider every function goes to 1, looks like that, but it doesn't happen. No, so we make it large. We take 1 4, I think so. We feel here. Other you feel great. The picture is very beautiful. When f1 goes to 1 core, it will be very sorry 10 lakh. What about the 10 core? You feel here the function is dropped. And every function converges to you feel here. You watch here. Final stage. It will be some slope when you come here. So we make little large so far the beauty. It goes to 0. Other than 1, every point goes to 0. I think you may enjoy this video. Thank you for watching this video.